La loco. Mira, 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 mira el cubo, mira el cubo.
Dana makes landfall and hits Vinaros, Benicarló and Peñíscola. This Tuesday, November 12th, the Valencian community is again facing the effects of the isolated depression at high level, Dana, which is causing heavy rains in several towns, especially the Baix Maestrat region, which was already hit by floods in towns such as Benicarló and Vinaròs. These towns are among the most affected, just 15 days after the previous devastating Dana. As of 2200, the municipality of Vinaros recorded the highest volume of rainfall, accumulating 55 millimeters at the IES José Vilaplana meteorological station. Other points with significant accumulations include the Illes Columbretes in Castelló de la Plana, with 45.8 millimeters of rain, and the Gran Hotel in Peñíscola, with 41 millimeters of rain recorded. This Wednesday, November 13th, Dana is expected to continue to affect the Valencian community with heavy rainfall in the coast and pre-coast of Castellón, Valencia and, to a lesser extent, Alicante. The authorities have recommended maximum caution, especially in flood-prone areas, and remain alert to possible road closures and ravine overflows. Firefighters from the provincial consortium had to intervene on Tuesday night in several services related to the first Dana attacks. In particular, water rescues and rescues on the N340 due to the intensity of the storm that left significant rainfall records in Baix Maestrat.